everyone, I'm Will, and before I get on to it, remember to like and subscribe and comment down below, and don't forget to press that notification bell down below. Today we are going to talk about wild lettuce. We're going to talk about it of the culinary perspective. We're going to think of food. The type of wild lettuce that you want to use is Lactuca canadensis. That has the lowest grade of medicinal purposes, so it's similar like iceberg lettuce or romaine lettuce. You do not want to consume raw. These two types, what everybody knows of wild lettuce, is this one right here of the opium wild lettuce. That's best only used for medicine. And then this one right here, prickly wild lettuce. This one you can eat some raw, but not that much. This one right here in front of me, that is the species that I use for my videos for culinary purposes. And that is why I recommend using wild lettuce just like you would use as culinary lettuce that you buy from the store. Now remember, use Lactuca canadensis over the other two. If you want to see more, click down in the description below to the link to my channel. Or if you want to see how to identify Lactuca canadensis, click on this video right here. If you want to see how to cook Lactuca canadensis, click on this video right here. Both good videos to watch. If you want to see any more videos this summer, I am going to make more videos like this one of cooking Lactuca canadensis. Press the round subscribe button. And remember next time to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See ya.